Is Dr. Mullah sir available? Good morning, Mullah sir. Are you able to hear us? Hello, Dr. Mullah sir, can you hear us?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning,
Hello.
sir.
Good morning.
Good
ma'am.
morning, Mullah sir. We
Am
can
I
hear
audible?
you. Please continue. Yes, sir, you are audible. Please continue, sir. Dr. Mullah sir, we can start.
You can start.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Both guests have come. You can start, sir.
Yeah, by the grace of Almighty, I welcome everyone. I appreciate your participation, taking your valuable time out of your busy schedule for joining us today's one-day workshop. We have got an overwhelming response across the nation today. You are representing from academics, students, community, entrepreneurs, and industry professionals. Good morning, everyone. My name is
Good
Dr.
morning, sir.
Zamir Ahmed Mullah. Professor. Good morning, ma'am. Professor and IQAC coordinator. Our institute name is RM Dhariwal Sinhgarh Management School, Kondapuri, Pune. A premier institution of excellence offering management education in rural India and offers every student an opportunity to achieve their goals. Develop talented and proficient leaders with entrepreneurship skills, moral values, and social responsibilities. Today's workshop is witnessing the same. It is one of the sister concern institute of a reputed name, Sinhgarh Institute, Pune. Professor M.N. Naule is our president, and Dr. Mrs. Sunanda Naule is our secretary. Mrs. Rachna Naule Ashtekar is vice president, admin, and Mr. Rohit Naule is
This
our vice
conference will
president.
now be
HR.
recorded.
Title of the workshop is Role of Education in Holistic Development. This will focus on universal values, When I introduce this topic, it reminds me various thoughts of the leaders. Educating the mind without educating heart is no education at all. Aristotle. Our first education minister, Maulana Azad, said educationists should build the capacities of the spiritual spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial, and moral leadership among students and become their role model. Education is manifestation of the perfection already in man. Swami Vivekananda. Education is most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. Education breeds confidence. Confidence breeds hope. Hope breeds peace. The aim of education is the knowledge, not of facts, but of values. William S. Education is the vaccine at violence. Edward James. Education with a holistic perspective is concerned with the development of every person's intellectual, emotional, social, physical, artistic, creative, and spiritual potential. It seeks to engage student in the teaching, learning process and encourages personal and collective responsibility. When we say holistic education, it must prepare children for their future and help them tackle any of life's uncertainties. Education must focus the child as a whole, which means the pedagogy caters to the physical, emotional, social, and cognitive development of children. This is in turn creates progressive thinkers. Now, this is all from my side. Now it is the time to introduce our director for welcome address. Dr. Anita Mani, in-charge director, associate professor, RMD SMS Kondapuri, as long as qualification of our captain, PhD, MBA, FDPM, IIMA. Her interest areas finance in toto and all other related financial subjects. And she has all along the way her work experience goes, served 11 years in Sarna Bashweshwar Vidya Vardak Sangha Gulbarga, 7 years in Savitri Bai Phule Shikshan Prasarak Mandal Solapur, served 1 year in Middle East, Saudi Arabia as an associate professor finance department in Prince Sultan University. And as a captain of ours, she has got a lot of feathers in her cap as she has published 2 books and 7 articles in international national journals. As long as her captainship is concerned, she has got many stars on her shoulder. She was there on various committees with different assignments, such as Karnataka Chamber of Commerce, Gulbarga Investors Association, Gulbarga University, and Karnataka University. Now I ask Dr. Anita Madam to say a few words. Madam, over to you.
Thank you, Mullah sir. When we say we need our people, And today I have Dr. Mullah sir, who is not well, but still he has taken the responsibility of doing the anchorship and being the coordinator of this program also. I congratulate and thank Mullah sir for being a part of my team, because of which I am still doing good. Thank you, Mullah sir.
Thank you.
Our basic human aspiration is happiness and prosperity, which needs to be continuous. A process of self exploration, self verification on our own right leads to understanding of ourselves. We need to think how much time and efforts are we investing to be in a state of harmony of desires, thoughts, and expectation. Today, we'll be exploring three things: right understanding, fulfillment in relationship, physical facility. When we talk of self regulation, it is a feeling of responsibility towards the body for nurturing, protection, and right utilization of the body. A prosperous person thinks of right utilization, nurturing the others, whereas a deprived person thinks of right accumulation, exploiting others. Usually, we observe, I can see that the others has a feeling of care and affection, trust in behavior with me. I can also see that the other has helped me in developing my right understanding, right feeling in me. They also provide me with the necessary physical facilities. When we have a right understanding, we develop trust, respect, affection, care, guidance, and are ensured within. Then the feeling of being related to all comes to us. AICT has taken initiative where we have completed a 5-day workshop incorporating universal human values in technical education, which is an introductory for fresher teachers. There is also a 5-day refresher part 1 workshop for teachers having attended at least one workshop. And these are all certified courses from the AICT. There are certain rules and regulations we need to follow. Only then the certificates are given by the AICT. There are many volunteers who contribute immensely. Today, I have the privilege of introducing Dr. Sujay Deshpande. He is from our sister concern institute of Sinhagad family. Dr. Sujay Deshpande is a PhD in electronic engineering, has 27 years of teaching experience. He is working as an HOD of Engineering Science Department at Sinhagad Institute of Technology and Science, Narhe, Pune. Dr. Sujay is working as volunteer for students SIP, which is mandatory from AICT. He has also recently completed his 5 days refresher part 1 course. We have done together this course. Today he is sharing his reflection, his journey, because he is connected with UHB since 2018. Today I had, few days back, I have requested sir to be a part of this event, and he has accepted our proposal. So today I call upon, before I go further, I call upon Dr. Sujay Deshpande to say a few words, and then I would like to welcome today's important resource person, Mr. Umesh Namdev Zadav, who is also a resource person for all the programs of AICT, that is SIP, 5 days workshop for teachers, or refresher course, or any program relating to human values, whichever is taken by AICT, says one of the resource person. So it feels a great responsibility that he is a part of us, and today we are blessed that he is with us and he'll be speaking also. Before we hand over to sir, I would like to ask Dr. Sujay to share his reflection. Dr. Sujay, can you unmute yourself and say a few words? Dr. Sujay? Dr. Sujay Deshpande. Sir, can you unmute yourself? Dr. Sujay Deshpande. I think we are not able to connect to him.
We start with Dr. Mr. Umesh Jadhav.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will start with resource person. Can you introduce our guest to the audience?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
ma'am. I'll do that. Hello, Mr. Umesh Jadhav, Namdev Jadhav, sir. Yes, sir, you are there here, and I'm very glad to introduce you, sir. And I was also one of the participant where you were there as a trainer. It is my privilege to introduce you, sir. Sir is holding master's degree in tourism administration and pursued PhD on socio-economic impact of tourism on local residents of Paro, Bhutan. Worked in industry for 11 years and 13 years in academics in tourism department. He served as head of operations in Institute of Hotel and Tourism Management and also as a HOD Department of Tourism, Royal University of Bhutan, Bhutan. His special area of interest is universal human values. He has conducted several faculty development programs and experiments in same area. Currently volunteering as a member of NCCIP for AICTE and regional coordinator for Western region for the same. I witnessed his training program. I've been attending his training program. He is continuously source of inspiration and a champion of human values. Now, sir, it is time to listen from you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Zamir Ahmed Asmullaji, for my introduction.
My pleasure. My pleasure, sir.
And it's very encouraging to hear that despite of your ill health, you have been associated not only in making this workshop possible, but also shared the responsibility of initiating these workshops and introducing me and giving a nice introduction about what the education should be by quoting many great leaders, not only the Indian but the international leaders. So thank you so much, Dr. Zamirji.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Dr. Sujay Deshpande ji, Dr. Anita S. Mani ji, Director of the Institute. And the workshop is basically possible because of her initiative and her interest in universal human value education. So to begin my talk, I would like to congratulate, and I would also like to extend my thanks and gratitude towards each one of you who have taken efforts for organizing these workshops and making this workshop successful. Namaste Sabiko. I also like to welcome all the participants who have joined in this session. I have given a responsibility of share my understanding on role of education in holistic development. identification of basic human aspirations and its fulfillment. I was told to have this session till 12 o'clock. So we have an hour and 43 minutes. And in the next hour and 43 minutes, we will try to understand the role of education. We'll try to understand the holistic education. We'll try to understand the basic human aspiration. And we will also try to understand how to fulfill our basic human aspiration. Before to initiate our today's dialogue and the discussions, like I want to take some comments from the participants. The number one is about the language. Shall we have it in English only, or shall we have it in English Hindi, or English Hindi Marathi? So if you could quickly respond it on this question.
Sir, Hindi Marathi चलेगा.
Yeah, maybe, you can, good. So like mixed language would do. Other participants can also use the chat box. You can use your chat box, writing the comment. Okay, good. Shivani Chaudhary has written English and Hindi. Waiting for it to give on this. So that I good that I can talk to Mohammed Salih. English, Hindi, Chika, writing English, Dheeraj English, Rajiv Ali ji. Now, I got a clarity that we can have a mixed English both language. That's what Ruby. हम लोग भी लैंग्वेज कॉलेज है, आप मराठी हो, हिंदी या जब भी हिंदी